If you're waking up multiple times, rushing to the bathroom, what I'm about to share could change everything. This doesn't involve medications or procedures. It addresses the root causes doctors overlook. Most believe nighttime urination is inevitable aging. You've been told to drink less water, but the truth? The real culprits are hidden fluid pools in your legs, weak bladder muscles, and specific bladder irritants. I'm revealing 3 scientifically proven techniques that help thousands reduce bathroom trips from 5 to 6 to just once. Recent 2022 and 2025 clinical studies prove these work. Number 1, double voiding. Empty your bladder completely. Mind-blowing fact, most people only empty 70% of their bladder. That remaining 30% is why you're back 20 minutes later. Urinate, wait 20 to 30 seconds sitting, lean forward, urinate again. Gravity helps release every drop. Before bed, sit and lean forward with hands on knees. Urinate, stay seated 20 to 30 seconds, lean further forward and try again. Rock side to side to empty stubborn pockets. Studies show significantly fewer nighttime trips and lower bacteria levels. You're buying hours of uninterrupted sleep. Number 2, compression stockings. Stop daytime fluid buildup. Game changer. Fluid pools in your legs all day. When you lie down, it redistributes to kidneys, becoming nighttime urine. Wearing compression stockings during daytime prevents leg fluid buildup. A 2022 study found 1.2 fewer bathroom trips and 1 extra hour of sleep. Buy knee-high compression stockings, 15 to 20 millimeters of mercury. Wear when you wake until evening, remove 2 to 3 hours before bed, or elevate your legs 30 to 60 minutes in the late afternoon. Patients went from 6 nighttime trips to just once. No side effects, costs a fraction of medications. Number 3, magnesium. Calm your overactive bladder. Critical. 50% of Americans are magnesium deficient, directly causing overactive bladder. Magnesium relaxes bladder muscles. Magnesium glycinate 200 to 400 milligrams relaxes bladder muscles, reduces urgency signals, improves sleep. Take 200 to 400 milligrams magnesium glycinate 1 to 2 hours before bed. Add magnesium-rich foods, leafy greens, pumpkin seeds, almonds. Eliminate caffeine after 2 p.m. and avoid evening alcohol. Both irritate bladders. Users report going from multiple trips to sleeping through the entire night within weeks. Better sleep creates a positive cycle. 3 powerful solutions. Double voiding empties your bladder completely. Compression stockings prevent fluid buildup, and magnesium calms your overactive bladder. You thought waking 5 to 6 times nightly was inevitable? These science-backed techniques address real root causes conventional advice misses. Start tonight with double voiding. Tomorrow, get compression stockings and magnesium glycinate. Within 1 to 2 weeks, experience deep, uninterrupted sleep. No more bathroom stumbling, no more exhaustion, just peaceful nights where you wake once or not at all. Your journey to sleeping through the night starts now.